We are looking at how to pronounce this phrase that means Merry Christmas. There's not one single way of saying it, but there's actually two different ways, the Norwegian way and Swedish way. Of course, those are two different languages. In Norway, in Norwegian, this is normally pronounced as God jul, God jul, is how they say it in Norwegian. In Swedish, however, this is normally pronounced as God jul. God jul is how they say it in Sweden. Did you get it? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to say Merry Christmas in different languages and how to say words from Scandinavia. I'll see you there to learn more.